And now it's time for what we've all been waiting for, an opportunity to integrate cryptocurrency with merchant services. Welcome to CryptoPay by TritonPay. All right, that was a heck of an introduction. Now, what you're looking at here is your merchant dashboard. This is the home page. This is where your funds received are for what specific time that you're looking at. So a little bit over to the right from funds received, you're going to see month. That drop-down box will give you today, week, month, and year. And that will give you a graph for how active your shop is with cryptocurrency, which will be in the middle. The upper right is a total of your overall revenues from using CryptoPay. Underneath that is current prices for current cryptocurrencies. And you can see this is just a little bit out of date because most of those have gone up drastically from there. Our next slide is our payments area. So as you look in the payments area, it's just a little bit more in-depth information about who paid what. You can click on each transaction. It'll give you a little bit more detail, whether they paid with Bitcoin or Ethereum or what have you. And if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of this same screen, this is where you're going to find the refund section. And a lot of you are asking if there's no chargebacks, are there refunds? And yes, there are. So if you'd like to refund, there's no charge to do so. And there is a refund section. It's solely up to your discretion. Now here's where things get a little more interesting. This is the invoice section. And in the invoice section, as you know, with CryptoPay, the sky's the limit. That means you can charge whatever you want to charge, however much you want to charge, whenever you want to charge. And as long as they have the cryptocurrency to cover it, you can receive it. So the invoice section here is pretty easy to use. You click the upper right-hand corner button, you create the invoice, you send it out. They pay for it with a bank transfer or cryptocurrency. It gets back to you. It's done. Nothing else there. Very simple to do. Welcome to the funds part of your dashboard. This section splits up your payments into two sections. One is cryptocurrency and the other is bank transfers. So when you have bank transfers, that big zero that says USD right there will be a nice big number. When you have crypto payments, that'll be the usual number. The funds section also breaks down for you in graph form how many cryptocurrency transactions you have per month versus your bank transfers, but it also splits those cryptocurrencies up. That means that you can see what your most popular cryptocurrency is, and you can gear that data to give you proper advertising towards that demographic that wants to purchase from your store. This is a very exceptional tool. Welcome to your customer section. Here you're going to see your unique customers, which are the customers that you can track, aka those that have a CryptoPay account, versus the regular purchases, which can be anywhere from guest checkout to repetitive purchases from your unique customers. So here, if you need to find a customer who requested a refund, and they are a unique customer that has purchased from you multiple times in the past, it can help you to make that wonderful decision of whether or not you want to give them great customer service, or you can decline them because you can see that you've refunded them multiple times before. Here we have the reports section. In the reports section, you can download a CSV file of your purchases, your customers, your equity, or all three at once. Again, you can also see at the bottom your gross volume and your new customers. This is exactly what you want to be paying attention to because this is going to show you your reach and frequency. As that number goes up, that means that your campaign to run cryptocurrency as an accepted payment method is working and giving you a competitive edge over your competition. The plugin integration section. So our integrations are done with an SDK, and that's going to be for your web applications or your native mobile applications, such as an iOS system or Android. The other sections are pretty self-explanatory. One final note before I head out here. You guys have been great, by the way. There is a settings option in the settings section to take cryptocurrencies offline. So for instance, if you don't like Dogecoin for some reason, you just can't stand taking it, you can turn it off. But just remember, when you turn off one of our 120 plus cryptocurrencies that we accept, you're making it a little bit harder for your clients to be able to make their purchases. So try and keep those all on.
Thank you for watching this video presentation. Shortly, the lights will come up. When they do, please move in an orderly fashion to the exits to your left and to your right. And have a great day.